This project is LIFI based shopping mall information system. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with the power supply 16:2 LCD display. LIFI transmitter connected to Arduino UART port. Here LIFI receiver connected to Arduino UART port. Transmitter placed at top ceiling of shopping mall area. Generally in the shopping malls lighting required even daytime also because of closer atmosphere. Here we place a LIFI transmitter as a light. It always provides lighting and things information through light waves. Here LIFI receiver placed on shopping mall trolley. While trolley passes through light, then it receives things information and displaying on 16:2 LCD display. Now power on this. Here LIFI transmitter transmits the data through light waves, and at the receiver side solar panel amplifies the signals and converts light waves into data. Here both TX and RX should be placed face to face like this. Sometimes external light may affect on communication, so be aware to external light effect. We can see here, if we move the trolley below the lights, on LCD it is showing t-shirt price 500 rupees.